Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you top 5 best free photos viewers for Windows. So here are some of the best free photo viewers for Windows in 2025. So the one of the first in line is image glass, so followed by iPhone views, a versatile photo viewers that offers image editing, effect and support for various image formats. It's also a lightweight and efficient. You can also go for an XView amp. A XView amp is a powerful photo viewers organizers that supports a wide range of image formats and offers batch processing and editing features. You can also go for Nomax. Nomax is an open source image viewers that supports multiple platforms and offers features like image compression, batch processing, and also it also supports customizable interface. You can also go for Fast Stone image viewers, a fast and a reliable photo viewers that offers a range of features including image editing, slideshow creation, and support for various image formats. These photo views provide a great alternative to the default Windows photo app, which offers additional features and best performance. Enjoy exploring the photos and with the tools. So if you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.